Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Jonah and I have here a big package from High Five School. Thank you so much, Miss Katrina, for making this possible. Alright, so let's unbox this and let's take a look everything that's inside. What is it? What is it? So let's get started. Okay, so let's take a look. So first we have to take this receipt.
A few moments later.
Wow. Oh wow, there's a lot. So I can see there's so many. Oh, thank you so much. So let's take a look and let's take out one by one of this goodies. So I have here the first one. It says spaghetti pobolonsku. Wow, I think this is a spaghetti powder that we're going to dissolve in water and makes a spaghetti sauce. Okay, so I think there's so many. Aside from that, we have here picnic Polski. I think this is kind of like a carrot soup, as I can see here, right? Because there's a carrot image. Yeah, oh, that's like so sweet. Can you see that? Okay. And another one would become like a mushroom soup, and it's zupa borovikova. Oh, am I saying that right? Please tell me if I'm saying that right, and leave a comment down below, okay? And we also have, there's so many soups here. We also have like, what does it says? Sosite. So I think this is sauce, right? It means sauce. Sosite Bielka. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. I really don't know how to say it very good. I hope some of it are correct. Okay, and we also have here kurzak. It's like a mozzarella thing. Okay, it's also kind of like a sauce. Wow. And there's so much here. Oh, I think this one is a beetroot thing. This one. Oh, I don't know how to say it, but I think this is a beetroot, right? Okay, so I think these are soup. So I have here 2 of them. Okay, and many other more. We also have this one. It's also kind of like a soup-based thing. So all of that. Oh, I like this. It's like macaroni. Okay, so it's also a powdered sauce where you really have to dissolve with water. Okay, so it actually comes together with instruction. Okay, at the back, so it will be like easy to follow. So I have here so many of that. Okay, wow, there's also a gelatin here, right? Galaretka Aristov smak. Oh, it looks like a gelatin. Yeah, like a grape, something like that. Oh, I'll taste this. I really have to make this. Okay, so I have to put that away already. And we also have another one. This one is like, oh, something like a cream. Kurem budin smak. Okay, what's it says? Malinovi. Because W in Polish language sounds like V. Okay? Wow. I really have to try that. Okay, what other things? Oh, it's Happy Karpaka. Hazelnut. It looks like a chocolate with a filling hazelnut something. Okay, so we're also going to taste that. But it's definitely a hazelnut. Okay, where it says also here. Alright, so we will try this later. And this one, wow. Pastet. This one. Okay. I have a feeling of this that this would become like a pate, right? Somewhat like a liver spread. I love liver spread, and we'll just have to see it for it later. Okay. Then we also have this one. Ooh, it says drugi snaidanie. Oh, I hope I'm saying it right. Okay, but it looks delicious. It's somewhat like a drink, right? Oh wow, we'll try this. We'll try that, definitely we will. And this one, it's grisale. 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 Don't worry, maybe someday I will really be fluent in Polish. Okay, next. Oh wow, Prince Polo XXL, double XL. So it means like big, right? Prince Polo. So I think this is a chocolate. I don't know, something, maybe a cookie or a wafer. Okay, so we will see that later too. Okay, we also have another one, but I think this would become like another flavor. Okay, so okay, we will try that out, of course. Oh, there's another one. Cocoach. It's a cherry. Wisinia. Wow, it's a cherry chocolate. Oh, I'll have to try this. This is Vavel. I can see that there's a blueberry here. Okay, so more to go, guys. More to go. Okay, this one. Andante. Mini biscotti. Okay, I think this one would be great for coffee or tea. Yeah. Okay, let's find more. Okay, so we have to dig more. So I have here 2. And this is definitely, I think, of course, obviously noodles, right? Oh, so we can now taste what Polish noodles taste like, right? Okay, it says here, o smaku rosolu, polski smaki. And I think this is its flavor, right? It says here, lagodna. I don't know if I'm saying this letter right, if it's kind of like L sound or other sound. Okay, so yeah, we have 2 of them. So thank you so much. And yeah, we will really try that. Oh, another one, but it's kind of like different flavor and different taste. Oh yeah, different taste. Of course, it's the same. I mean, different brand. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what is. Oh, maybe it's a. Oh, raspberry. Okay, because it has raspberry image here on the packaging. Okay, and it says here vitamin C, vitamina C plus zinc. Okay, so I think this is better chilled. Okay, we also have another one, chocolate again. No, I like wafer chocolates. So original Golarki. Okay, Nougatove. The names of it really sounds delicious. Oh, this one is also another chocolate thing. It says I Carmelova. So I think it's a milk chocolate, because it says here melis, oh. But it has I Carmelova, it says here. And I think there's a caramel inside. I mean, the feeling would be caramel, maybe white milk chocolate with caramel feeling. Okay, so let's try that too. Oh, this one is from Nestle. We're in Nestle products. Nestle brand is really popular and well-known, big company, right? And this is kind of like international. So this is Princesa, and you can see it already in the picture that it's a wafer inside, and it's covered with white chocolate, which is I love, and it has like strawberry. So I think this one is somewhat like a strawberry shortcake. Wafer chocolate, somewhat like that. Smakshato and truskawkami. Okay, so it's kind of hard, but it really looks delicious. Oh, this one is pavelyek, right? And I also see that there's a caramel feeling inside with somewhat like a nutmeg. Oh no, I don't know what's that. Oh, I think it's a coconut. It's a salted caramel feeling, contains alcohol.
Perfect.
I think it will become like a vodka thing, because vodka is one of the stable alcohol drink of Poland. So maybe this one would be the first one that I have to taste. Let's wait for that. So I'll just have to introduce everything to you before we're going to taste it. Okay, this one is Wawel Danusia. Am I saying it right? Danusia. Wawel is the brand, and it says Danusia Malinova. Okay, it's a vitamin C. Oh, this chocolate has vitamin C and collagen inside.
Wow.
It says. I hope you can see it clearly. There is it, kind of like collagen. It says. Okay, so yeah. You really have to try that. We also have again Prince Polo double XL, and this one also maybe in a different flavor, and it says salted caramel. I can say that this will become like salted Soloni caramel. Okay. Oh, there's another one, pastet. Oh, I think I will love this. Yeah, we also kind of like have something like this in our country. It's either we call that liver spread or tuna spread, so it depends on what flavor is this. But I can see here that there's kind of like a cucumber, and maybe those are kind of like some onions, but we'll try to see that. Okay, another one here is Familien Class. Wow, another one here is Familien Klasinye. Okay, let's try this too. It's a wafer snack. Okay, and it has kind of like some coffee thing, right? It's somewhat like a coffee bean. Okay, so we will be checking that out too. And this one is Kabanosy Olewnik. From the look of it, it looks like a jerk. Can I say it right? It's like jerky, right? Okay, so we'll try this out too. Oh, it's like a sausage. It's like a savory thing. Yeah, it makes my mouth already watery. I'm already mouth watering with this kind of things. Okay, so let's dig in more. Oh, there's kind of like more of it. More. Oh, another one is, of course, this one you really have to cook with it, right? So I can see it already here that you should really have to cook with it. And it says Kursak po Toskaniusku. Okay, I'm having already a twisted tongue. So yeah, maybe I have to translate this first before making it. Of course, I will be vlogging this and how to make it and how it will taste. Should it become like acceptable from a Filipino taste buds? We'll see it. Okay. All right, more to go. I'm so sorry, more to go. This already kind of like spilled out. But it's okay. It says 3-beat. Okay, 3-beat. We'll check it out if it's still kind of like safe to eat, because it's already kind of like spilled out here inside the box. So we still have more of this. Okay, this one is klopsiki. Okay, so I think this one is you have to again cook it. All right, so we'll be checking this out too. And this is another one. It's a I think this is again a beetroot. Yeah, this is very stable vegetable in Poland. Okay, so let's dig more. Yeah, dig more. Okay, so we have more. Okay, so another one. Okay, so we have here more of this. We have the cherry thing. Okay, this one is owokowy kubek. Okay, smak visnowy. Right, so I think this is a juice, right? Because this one is somewhat like a cherry juice, and this is kind of like mixed berries. It's another cooler this summer in Poland, rainy season in the Philippines. But it's okay, it's still good. Okay, another one is a gelatin thing, and this one is strawberry flavor. So I went this is somewhat like a grape thing, okay? But this one is a strawberry. And take a look, we have here some we have this one in our country, of course. It's the snake thing, that it's a gummy, right? Gummy. So we have two gummy, one gummy snake and one also gummy snake, but it's like maybe this one is somewhat like sour. Oh, right? We have this in the Philippines too. Okay, but I hope I'm not right that it's a sour thing, but let's just see. Okay, and this one of course is the original one, right? The gummy bear, or no, not gummy bear, the gummy snake. Okay, more to go. So we still have some. Ooh, wow. This one is somewhat like a mixture for. Okay, so we can see the instructions here at the back. So it's a mixture. Okay, so if you want to pickle a pickle, or maybe other fruits or vegetables, right? This would become like a mixture that you're going to make it preserve and have the good taste of pickled. Okay, let's move on. And there's so many. Oh, there's like a lot of this. And this is like so popular in Poland because there's another one. Okay, and it says here, Kabanosy. No, Kabanosy. Okay. Alright, so let's try this also. Okay, we have here Vegeta. I don't know what's this, but it says here it's Vegeta. Okay, maybe you can help me in the comment below. Try to tell me what is this for. Okay, but it looks for cooking. Okay, maybe it's a mixture for vegetable, mixture for breading or what. Okay, let me know in the comment section. This is Podravaka. Okay. Oh, another one, another wafer snack. Okay, with chocolate. Oh, this one is a hazelnut too. Okay, but I think it's a different flavor. This one. It's a different flavor, right? This one I think for sure it's a hazelnut, and this one, oh, almond. Yeah, because I can see almond here. So yeah, we really have to try this. Okay, another one is another chocolate thing, and this one is Jedina. So I don't know if this is a. Why is it kind of like the package? Okay, but anyway, it's a chocolate. I think it's really kind of like a chocolate, but I don't know if it's a white chocolate or what. But it says Jedina Sekolada Viborova. Okay. Alright, of course, we will be sorting everything. Sorting from, I think there are kind of like a lot of chocolate. Of course, there are actually some snacks, okay, biscuits and other things. So we will become like sorting it out, and then that will become like a different vlog. So you won't become like confused about what I'm gonna eat, okay? And of course, we will going to rate them everything, okay? Another wafer chocolate, okay? So this is Grasiski, mega, yeah. No, not that so big, but it's kind of like also for two people for sharing, right? Okay, we have again of course the beetroot soup thing. Oh, we will really try that. And this one also, carbonara. So it's also a mixture for pasta. So we also have to try this. Yeah. High five! You really know that I love cooking because you're kind of like sending more of things for cooking. Okay, so I like this. Oh, this one too. It's for cooking, like for chicken, right? For breading of chicken and everything. Yeah. Okay, dobre. Dobre means good, right? So it means good. So it really is good. Okay, so let's move on, and there's kind of like few of them already. So we still have some noodles here, instant noodles, or for kind of like a cup for a single serving. So this is also good. Thank you so much. And yeah, this is kind of like chicken and vegetable. Sounds really good. Okay, so another wafer. Oh, this one's it kind of like looks like Kit Kat, right? Because it's it's a wafer chocolate thing, and it really looks like Kit Kat. Oh, but the thing is, from the package. But we'll still try it, of course. We'll just have to make it colder first. Okay. So another one here is Delicye. Oh, this one I think is so kind of like fancy, and I think it's kind of like chocolate with blueberry flavor filling. We'll have to try this out. Okay, let's move on. Oh, another one that is a dark brown. Okay, wafer chocolate snack. Okay, so this is Grasiski. Okay, Grasiski. So I think this is a dark chocolate. Oh, I love dark chocolate. It's much more healthier, they say, than other chocolate like milk chocolate. And this one is Vegeta. This one you pronounce as Yong with Yongzona. Vegeta. I don't know either. What is this for? Somewhat like a spice thing. Yeah. But if you know how it's also going to be used, let me know in the comment. Alright, so there's kind of like a few more of this. Okay. Alright, so we only have a few more left here in the box. So wait a minute. I have here, I think, yeah, this would be kind of like a cookie. But Miss Katrina, is this named after you, really? It says Katasinki. Your cookie, Miss Katrina. This is your cookie. Thank you so much, and I really have to taste this together with a tea, or I would rather like taste this with ginger tea. Okay. And there are kind of like 3 different, because we already have this a while ago. That's kind of like another one, and this one too, so there's kind of like 2 of them. And we have here cacao V. So I think this is also a chocolate thing, but it's like a cannoli, right? It's long vista secas. Okay, and another one of that, but it's kind of like different flavor. Okay. Oh, so this one I think it's a hazelnut flavor. So it's a dark chocolate. I think this one is a dark chocolate because it's cacao V, and this one is orsechovi vazescoladzi. But I think it's kind of like a hazelnut. Yes, I can see the picture. Okay, so we will definitely try that. So we'll be sorting everything. So I think these are kind of like the last 2 from this box. Okay, so it's also the same. It's kind of like, yeah, it's the same. So it says here baton, and the brand is Ziski. Kokos baton. So as I can see in the packaging, there's a coconut with hazelnut and like caramel filling. Yeah. Okay, but of course, definitely we will be tasting this. So this is the last thing in the package, and no more. Okay. All right. So watch on the next episode, on next part of the video. But we will be sorting everything from chocolate to snacks to savory treats, and yeah, I'll definitely update you from Polish foods to Filipino taste buds.
Yay!
See you then.